Hello friends! Today, we are going to solve some tricky bracket questions with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Look carefully and think smart. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's begin! 12 plus 5. Inside brackets. Multiplied by 3. What is the answer? The right answer is 51. -29 16 plus 7. Inside brackets. What is the answer? The right answer is 6. -3. Inside brackets. Multiplied by 8. What is the answer? The right answer is 112. (18 plus 7. Inside brackets. Multiplied by 4. What is the answer? It's 100. -12 plus 11. Inside brackets. What is the answer? The answer is 22. 36 plus 7 multiplied by 5. Inside brackets. What is the answer? It's 71. Ready to solve this? It's 54. Give this a try. It's 35. Let's go to the next one. It's 75. Get ready for this one. It's 74. Up for another one. It's 80. Let's move to the next one. It's 30. Are you ready for the next challenge? next one. It's 20. Ready for the next one? It's 64. Can you solve it? It's 81. Can you work it out? It's 75. Let's see if you can get it right. It's 30. Ready to solve this? It's 96. Let's see if you can solve it in time. It's 22. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.